So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a natural beauty scrub using mango seed. Most people throw away their mango seed, but mango seeds are actually amazing for our skincare. This homemade mango seed scrub will help to exfoliate dead skin cells, leave your skin smooth, soft. And so if you love natural beauty remedy and homemade skincare, keep watching. Let's get started. So to make your mango seed powder, you will need mango. Crack open the mango seed, then peel off the mango skin, cut the mango into smaller pieces, then you can sun dry it or hydrate this and blend into a fine powder. So you can check out my video on how to make your mango seed powder. So here is the mango seed powder. I'm making use of a tablespoon, and another ingredient is blended oats. This will help to exfoliate. And also rose water. So I'm going to mix this to activate the mango seed and the oats. Then another ingredient is yogurt. I'm making use of yogurt. Just a tablespoon of yogurt, Greek yogurt, and few drops of vitamin E oil. And we are going to mix properly. You can leave this to sit for about 5 minutes or more so that all the ingredients will marinate properly. After 5 minutes, the reason why I left this to sit for 5 minutes is because I want the mango seeds to marinate with the ingredients. So now we are going to be using this scrub to scrub your face, your hands, your leg, your feet, or any part of your body that you like. So you're going to massage in a circular motion on a clean washed body, face. Massage in a circular motion for at least 2 minutes. Let this to sit for at least 10 or 30 minutes. Then you can rinse out with warm water. You can use this scrub for at least 2 to 3 times in a week for best results. So one of the benefits of this mango seeds scrub is that it will help to exfoliate dead skin cell, leave your skin smooth, softer, and help to moisturize dry skin. It also helps to improve your skin glow. So this is a natural scrub that you can make at home if you enjoy using natural ingredients. I hope that you try this remedy, and please don't forget to give me feedback, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.